Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Wednesday, August 24th, 2022. The time is 9:03. Looking at the NASDAQ is only up a little bit. The VIX looks like it's up a little too. So we're going to focus on the NQ because that seems to be the bread and butter. So I'm going to turn it on right now and wait. See what it does. Just to let you guys know, I'm using the Ripper X and I'm trading 30 contracts. So that's why I'm able to achieve $8,000-9,000 with a few moves. Looks like it's been sideways. See all these tops? Can't break. It breaks, but it only breaks. There's no power behind the up moves. Looks like it's more dominant for the red. Here we're getting a little more of a move. Okay, let's see if we get a pull back into this part right here. Nope. Alright, come on. You don't want to go down all the way. Looks like the lowest right now is 12.49. No, 12.5. 12.8501. So we're a ways from that. They never move in a straight line. That's why you see all those pullbacks. Up, down, up, down. A little up move. Didn't break above. I believe that's got the DEMA 55-day moving average. So below it, you're looking at short, weak. Above it, breaks it, and stays above it. You're looking at a long. See how it broke it here? Came back. It wasn't weak enough yet. And it turned up. Then it broke down. Came in, tapped it, came back off. See what it does here. It goes, taps that. See how it reacts to the 55 there. See, it reacted. The price. There's a level at 8.2. Yeah, right there. Look at that. It's thick. Right here. Like I said, it's just not real active. Late summer. And it is Wednesday. Like I said, I like to kind of draw these zones sometimes. See how it tapped in here, came in here, 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 came in at here, touched it, backed off, came in, got some lift, came back, got some more lift. So it's kind of not liking that zone. It did here, but it didn't maintain it. Yeah, it's bouncing off it over here too. So that must be a spot the sellers are taking notice, or the buyers are taking notice rather, and they're jumping back in. So what we're waiting for is a move with a high probability direction. The software catches it. It just painted green. Best thing a person can do when they're learning this is learn price action. If you learn the price action, you can see the levels that they buy and sell. You're going to make some money. All the rest is just indicators, and they lag. See, here we're getting, see if we get a pullback into the green. Because I put the price line here so you can see the levels. It's called the price line. And it's really thick through this area. It reacted here, 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 all through here. See if we can get some buyers to come in with some push. Something behind them.
Order filled.
There it is. Let's see if we can get it up there. Okay, with twos, or fours. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, sixes. Yep, there's 6, 7, 1, and 8. 8 to close it out.
Order canceled.
8 to close it out. See, it's reacting to that area.
Order canceled.
I canceled that. I had that on. I don't want that text and marker on. So that was a high probable, but it didn't break right here. See how that area? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 areas right there. So this is a spot too that you have to be aware of. It broke through but came back down. But we're up 2,300. So let's just wait. The trend line thing there that Two Trades got is awesome. Because look, once it broke here, boom, you're in. It didn't give you a short. Hasn't yet. You can have your ATM strategy ready to rock and roll. I believe I have one or two. Yeah, I got a 10-1. Look at it. Yeah, it's 8 contracts. 21 stop. I want that higher. 50. Almost 60. Shit here. Gotta go higher. 5, 6, 7. 6. Yep. Okay. So if I see something and the bot's in the middle, I can hit it. It won't show up down here, but it'll do it on my P&L for the day. Sometimes the painting and the algorithm isn't happy or satisfied. So when it's either doing a run up or a run down and it's not in, the algo's not happy, I sometimes hit that. I'll buy it and sell it quick. kind of figured. I looked at the early and it just looked like it was choppy. There was no real direction. You can see it if you look on the 1 minute, and you can see the bar size, how it changes. There's higher bars, longer bars. As soon as the open for the New York cash open, you can see the distance that the 1 minute candles move the distance because it goes up and down, so it moves, and then you can tell how much tail is in it. If it's got a lot of tail, that means it's rejecting either up or down on that price marker. And if you got a solid bar, that means a solid movement that went that time in that 1 minute, and then it went over to the next. And if it carried over and stayed constant, then you got a good move. But it hasn't been like that. It's been chopped. The wrinkle just looks a little different. This is how it looks. Well, let's see here. Yeah, this is how it looks for the 1 minute. I got the 1 minute up. You see how after the open, it went up. Nice green one. It went up, and then it came down. Then it went back up, moved over, went up a little bit, came back down, made it red, came down, moved all the way back up. Minute was up. It slid up, went all the way down. So that was a nice solid move from here to here at the open. And then it started kind of chugging around. You see how that one's smaller? Because it just didn't have there wasn't much movement. Then this one picked up. That one picked up too. Then this one has been kind of just jawing back and forth. The move is green, a power move, but then a red to counter it. And then you go into spinning top, I think that is, or a doji. And then it finally gets some steam and it goes up. So right about here, you can get in. Not a really strong move, but it was a move. And then the tweezer topped right here and went down. So I look at that too. Watch it develop. I like the 1 minute. It's a scalper's. So it gives me kind of a direction. Yeah, it's just lollygagging. I wonder how much shares we've got actually trading here. Market analyzer. 181,389. That's really low, and so is oil. Crap, oil's got less than the NQ. So it's kind of a
Order filled.
slow day. Get a good fills, and I think that'd be done. Come on, 14, 13s. I don't want to see 12s. No. How about some 10s, 12s, 13s? 14s would be really great right now. Come on. There's a 14.
Order canceled.
There we go. Squeeze up. Let's see how much strength. See how it just hit my target and then pull back. It's got to break this. Right here. And then if it breaks that, it's going to go right here. So let's see how low it's going to get. 13s.
Order filled.
Yeah, it went. I got it set. So there's 5. Some days, take it and leave it because it's still a pretty good day. You're green. So we are looking at $244 of commissions. It was 87%. So we're looking at 244, so 47, roughly, how much? 47, 80 minus 244, that's 4,500 right now. But for the month, you'd be pulling in 45,000. So that's not bad for what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? You didn't even get a cup of coffee drink halfway. See how it turned? Came back in. It just gave you the second. Boom, made it, done. No runner. I'd like to see a runner for a little ways. That looks like a third one.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get that again. 18, 20, 21.
Order canceled.
Yeah, come on. 22, 23. Let's do it. 24, 25. 26. Let's get some 26s in there on the time and sale. Come on. There they are. They're holding. Oh, yeah, they're holding. Come on, take it higher. Just a little bit higher. A little bit higher. 27s. Hold the 27s. They're buying it. Yep. They're buying it. The 28s got bought too. Got the 31s eating it up right now. The 29s. 31s are on the board. 32s. Oh, yeah, we're going to go to 30, 40. Let's go to 40. Yes. Yes. There was our move. There was our move for the day at 9:20. 9:20. See how it's staying above our area that I marked, and then above the strong, above the 55 day. Feel real confident staying in it. 41. Start seeing some 39s, low 39s. Then I'll stop.
Order canceled.
Yep, right there. Okay. That is it for a Wednesday. That is a wrap. So, what did we do here? Move that over. Okay, what did we do? We did $8,852, $367. So let's take that. 8,852 minus, what was I saying there? Or 367. $8,485. And if you do this every day, all month for 30 days, that's your profit, 270,000. So that's not bad. You could definitely do what you want for the rest of the day, with knowing that your account is up $8,000. Plan accordingly. And that's a wrap. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will keep making the videos.